So, we got to this campsite yesterday and we got a surprise.
We kind of sweet talked him to just do what we wanted
Where
cooking.
was the sweet talking?
What was that? What was that? Do that again.
Hey everyone, welcome to Dubventures and welcome to another video. We're in Scotland at the moment and we stayed at this campsite last night. Such a peaceful night stay. We had really good walks here that we could go and take off for a walk and things. So if you want to see more about that campsite, check out last week's video. So today we're having a Dubventures van meet, so we're really excited to see you guys here. Now, the snow in certain areas on this road trip has been like torrential, sort of like snowstorms and things. Now, we've had a phone call from the campsite saying there's quite a lot of snow at the campsite, so some of you guys might not be able to make this van meet, but we'll see when we get there. But we're going to go and do some exploring before that. So for now, let's just get everything ready and get on the road. So we're at the campsite and we've got a bit of a surprise here. Now, we have stayed at this campsite before. This is where we're having the van meet, but unfortunately a lot of you guys have cancelled. Look who it is, everybody! It's Scott! Now, Scott was coming on this trip, but supposed to have been arriving in a few days. Decided to surprise us. Do you know what though? Welcome to the Dubventures van meet, do you know what I mean? And if nobody else turns up, then we're going to have a van meet here. Look. So just look at the view, look at the view.
Wait there, sir.
Nice to see that we've got some people that have come to our very crowded Dubventures van meet. So welcome everybody to the Dubventures van meet. So they've gone for a quick walk, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make a toastie. They did have their dinner before they go, but I wasn't too hungry then, so I'm just going to have a cheese and ham toastie, also known as a Dubventures toastie. So let's do this.
So me and Hannah have just got back from a walk. How was your walk?
Really good.
And I don't know if you can tell, but all the way over there's loads of trees and we was up there somewhere. So we'll make sure Tom puts a bit of pictures in it because we probably should have took the camera with it. What?
A bit of pictures?
Oh, shut up.
Some pictures.
Some pictures.
Yeah.
Don't you start defending him. So we'll put some pictures here so you can see of our walk because we should have took the camera and we didn't, but never mind. Now it's time for you to make our tea.
Oh, come on. Oh, do you know what? I don't mind, but you know, come on.
So we've decided, me and Hannah have decided, we're having mozzarella dippers.
Do you mean you decided?
Yeah, but this is what you wanted as well. We had a discussion on our walk that we was going to let Tom pick, but we kind of sweet talked him to just do what we wanted
Where
cooking.
was the sweet talking? Sweet talk on camera. I want sweet talking.
Please. Makes me my food.
There we go, guys.
So we're having mozzarella dippers and then we're having sausage muffins.
Is that decide? And
See? What was that? What was that? Do that again.
Morning, everyone. Had a peaceful night's sleep here on this campsite. We're in a routine now, so it's morning time. Last night we just cooked some food, just relaxed, chilled out for a bit. We're in a routine now where in the morning Brooke goes and takes off for a quick walk, Anna goes and have her shower and everything. I cook breakfast, then when we have breakfast then we go and get showered and everything, and it just works it so, you know, I can get late breakfast on. So today we're on. Right, we've got everything sorted now. The people that came to the van meet, they've gone now. Some of them are travelling home and some are like travelling more in Scotland. Like I said, it was just like a few people that were supposed to be coming, and obviously with the weather the way it is around here, a few people did cancel. So, but we will be in Scotland again. We will like organise a van meet, you know, where everybody can get together. And, you know, maybe we'll do it in summer next time. So, but just look at the view that we've woke up to. That is just an amazing view for a campsite. Do recommend this campsite. It is a campsite that actually made our top 5 campsites of campsites that we've stayed at. Walks everywhere, and like I said, you do have a feel that you're kind of like well camping in the forest type of area. So, you know, we do recommend this campsite. Scott's not stayed here before, so let's go and have a quick catch up with him. Where is he? Is he in there? Is he in there? Maybe he's not in there. Might have gone to the toilet or something. So, well, yeah, just look at the view here. Today we are staying at another campsite. This is a campsite that we've never stayed at before. I'm quite excited to stay at this campsite because they've got game room and things, so it's really, and I think it's just us that's staying there as well. So because this time of year, like a lot of campsites and that's still out of season, so really looking forward to doing that. So you'll have to keep an eye out for that one. And there's Scott over there. So we got to this campsite yesterday and we got a surprise, quite a big surprise, because when we got here, Scott was here and we didn't know that he was actually turning up. Now, he was coming on some of the Scotland trip, but he wasn't due for a few days, but it was a nice surprise and it's good to see you. So
it was worth the trip.
He does like it here. So do you know what, guys, until the next one, and like I said, we've got a lot of exploring today. I think we're going to a castle today as well, so do hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, guys, thanks for watching, bye for now.